juu watoto watasoma aje.
Weche mabiro kowuok e kaunti ma Kisumu, podi Gavana e kaunti ma Kisumu kwayo kony mar neno ni jogo ma oula omuomo oyudo kony kaka owinjore. Kane owuoyo, Nyong'o ne owacho ni jogo manyalo konyo mondo ochop e alap ma Ramogi kochakore odiochieng' ma kiny kata or kony e namba mano mar paybill ma en 552800 e account namba ma en 015414 mano e account number man kanyo wacho ni paybill en 552800 ka account number en 015414
The floods triggered by the backflow from Lake Victoria and water from swollen rivers in our county have affected 14,060 people across the 8 sub-counties. A total of 1,756 acres of farmland and crops in the low-lying areas have been destroyed in the 8 sub-counties, with an estimated cost of 67.81 million Kenyan shillings. We need therefore to appeal to everybody, and I mean everybody, for help. First, short-term help. We appeal to well-wishers to come up and help us assist these displaced families. Anyone with food, non-food items, and cash donations should contact the Minister for Public Service, County Administration, and Participatory Development, Ms. Judith Olwoch. Those with financial donations should send through our emergency account number as follows. Paybill number 552800. Account number 0154154780001.